Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to edit and delete data in Laravel. So let's get started. So we'll open a code. So as in the previous video we had seen, we had inserted and fetched the data of the blog in Laravel from database. Okay, so we had did this. So now we have to add edit and delete button for this. So let us make the design first. Just copy and paste. So I'll give action and just remove this. So here we just keep it under the same row or the same column. Just to waste of time. So here we'll add btn, and here we'll give edit, give btn primary and btn sm for the small button. So here instead of button we'll keep href, and here we'll give within single quotes give url edit. Okay, edit, and the same thing for delete. So I'll give here text as delete. So I'll give the color as danger for this so that it will show red. So edit, along with the edit we have to pass the ID of that blog. So just copy this and concatenate the ID in this of ID. Okay, with a slash or here slash. So now let us check the output. You reload and you got the edit and delete button over here. So now we'll click here, and this was for the product edit we had did. So here we'll make it as a blog edit. So we'll add over here in the URL itself blog -edit. So we'll create a URL with this, go to web.php and just paste it over here, copy one URL here and paste. Blog edit slash, and we'll be passing a ID in this. Okay, ID blog edit. Now let's go to the controller. Blog edit will create a here function called blog edit. Just copy this and paste. Rename it to edit with the ID. We'll be passing a ID in this, so $ID. So here I'll just remove all this code. So we're going to make a variable $blogs $blogs equals to, just call the blog model here, blog colon where let us use the find function here because we are having this only one record. So I'll give blog find this ID and return to blog edit. We'll create a page with blog edit. Let us remove the hyphen and we'll pass it to the compact function here. Give compact and then single quotes, paste this blogs, save, and now let us create a page, blog edit, rearrange to resources, views, and create new file, give blog edit dot blade dot php, hit enter. Now we have given for the product edit, so we'll just copy the same design here, copy, and for the blog edit we'll paste that. So here we have the ID, so let us keep the ID. Category will remove. We have the name and description. So create blog. Okay, it's in the blog. Okay, so we'll go to the blogs. Okay, so we have your title and action. So let us give this and check what is the output. Just reload, hit edit. You get blog edit 1 undefined function compact. Okay, so spelling I have misspelled the function, so it was in the blog controller compact. Okay, so it will return redirect. Okay, here we have to give the URL. Sorry, not URL, we'll just return view over here. Return view to the blog edit. So it will go to the blog edit page. So now it should work fine. So it will go here. So in ID we'll give the ID. So ID is actually not necessary because you're not going to update the ID. So just the name and the description. Okay, and we'll add one more row here telling that the save button over here. So just get your table data, remove the input type, just give a button here, button type equal to submit, and here just give update. Okay, so here we'll give a class for the button, class btn primary, and here we have to this $products we have sent the blog variable over there. So here it is blogs. Just copy this and paste it in this place. Just paste blog of name and description. So now let us check the output. Go back, let us reload and hit edit over here. So when we click edit, we will get the blog and name of this. So let us get a good design for this from getbootstrap.com. Go to get bootstrap, then the documentation, and here we'll just search forms. So here we'll take this and we'll just paste it over here. Table data, paste it, and this input type equal to text and the value. So we'll remove this. This is not necessary for us. So just copy and paste the same div again inside this for the blog description. So I'll paste. Okay, so here just paste it, and instead of email address, this is the description. So let us type here description, and this will be the name. Okay, so add the name attribute for the update. So here we'll give the name, and this will be the description. Name equal to description. So we'll save it. Now remove all this old input tags and put it inside a form here. Form we are using to send the data. So when we need to update that, we require form over here. Okay, so there is some mistake over here. This table data. copy and edit over here and here. Okay, so now I will give the close form here. Okay, so now let us align it and give form action method equal to post. Okay, so now let us check the output, how it is the front end. Okay, so we got the name and the description. So this is the ID. Will change the ID to name. So we can remove this label because we have given it in the table header here. So you can remove this ID. And now let us reload the page. So we have the name and description. So when we click update, it should get updated. This thing, whatever we make any changes over here, it should get updated over there. So now let us give the code for that. Let us write the code. So form action within double curly braces, give a URL function here and give blog update. Let us give blog hyphen update with the ID over here. So we'll give slash slash and dot this, copy and blogs of ID. Okay, so now when this update button is clicked, it will go to the blog update URL. So now let us go to the web.php and create a URL for this, paste it below, and it's a post method. We are going to post something other, so we have to use the post method here. So don't mistake with this. So just paste it here, blog update. Okay, so copy the function name and go to the controller, and we'll create a new controller over here with this name update. Copy and paste, rename this function and with the ID. So wherever, just find that and blogs $blogs of name equals to $request. So we are sending a request in this because we are taking data from there. So here you have to give request. Okay, so request of $request comma $ID. So here request of input of the name tag. So where we had given the name attribute in the tag with the name, it had the name in that. So I'll just show you. So blog edit, so we have this name, and here the value for name is description. So copy that, and here below this copy and paste, Control X, and just paste it over here. So the description is whatever is given here. So now for saving the data, we had used blogs of save function. So here we'll be using update function for giving the update. So now once it is done, return view to the blogs. We'll move it to the blogs page which we had created. So here, okay, save, and now let us test the code. So we'll reload this page, blog edit. Now it is reloaded. This is my first blog is the description, and I have edited it. Let us update this, update, and okay, 4 not found. Let us check what's the blog update. Blog update along with the ID we have to send. So I missed the ID over here. So put the ID over here, and now let us again try that. So reload, we'll just pass a message and updated. So give update, page expired. Okay, so as I had already told in the previous videos, whenever you're using form in Laravel, you have to use the CSRF token here. So we'll use the CSRF token, CSRF. Okay, so now there should be no errors. So now we'll just update and check updated. hit update, trying to get name of non-object. Okay, so here we have updated a single record in the update thing. So we go update, and we have sent it along with the compact to this view. So the error was because you are sending a single thing, it is not able to read all the blogs over there. So we'll just remove this. We don't have to send any data from here. It will automatically update in the database, and in this blogs it will already fetch it from there. So now we'll just check it, go back, reload, and hit update. Okay, so blogs, so let us use the redirect because there is some error. We are sending it to that, it's asking for the data over here, which we are showing here, data. So we'll just redirect it to that route so that that route will handle it automatically. Okay, so we're in the update, redirect it to the URL of the blogs. So here is the URL, just copy it and paste it in the redirect thing. So now there must be no errors. So it is updated, but it didn't show the view, so that's why there was error. So let us change the message. So it's the latest updated. Okay, so now let us give update. So after updating, it will return to the blogs page. So here it is the latest update. So now we'll edit the second one and see. So hit update, guys, new update, let us hit update. So you can see we have updated it successfully. So now let us see how to delete this. So when hit delete, it should get deleted from this and redirect here with a message over here. So we'll go to the web.php and create a route for the delete. So route, we'll use get and give delete with the ID. So we'll pass the ID over here, comma, give the controller name, blog controller at delete. Okay, so delete, copy the function name, go to the controller and create a function, public function, and paste the function name. And here we are sending ID, so just make sure you pass it here and open close. So first you have to create a variable blogs and find that from the database. So we'll call the model blog colon find this ID. So we'll just give find $ID and semicolon. So what we have to do now, we have to just delete it. So we'll give $blogs delete. So it will delete that. Now we have to return and redirect to the blog page. So the URL is blog. We'll use a with because yes, we have to send a message over here. So with status, comma, and pass the message over here. We'll give blog deleted successfully. Okay, so now in this blog page we will go to the blogs, and to view the message we'll just write some code over here. So this is blog page, under this we'll just view. So we'll use at if the session, okay, first you have to check it in a isSet function. So if isSet of session underscore, sorry, in brackets give the session name. So that was status. So if it is set, then just show the message over here. So you have to echo it. Just copy and paste it here. So now we are ready to test this. So just reload. Okay, that's some mistake, unexpected end of file, and web.php. okay, I missed the semicolon. And now let's just reload the page. Cannot use is set on the result of an expression. Now just check what is the error. So let us remove this is set and try. It should work directly. So okay, so now let us go there and hit reload. Okay, so now we are going to delete this second blog over here. So when I click delete, okay, delete, and we have to pass the ID along with that. So I missed that. So we'll go to the blogs, and here it is. So as we had given for the edit, we had just have to concatenate this ID in that. So copy it and paste that here. Okay, so delete along with the ID we have sent it. So now let us check the output, go back and reload. Okay, so we'll hit the delete button in the second row, and now it has deleted. So blog deleted successfully, we got a message. So let us add some design to this message, and here I just put a div here, dot alert, cut and paste it here. Okay, so now just reload the page and the message is gone. So let us add a new blog. I will give demo blog and description. This is a demo. Let us give and hit submit. So when you click submit, it will get inserted and it will show over here. So now when we delete this demo blog, we have to get a message. So this is the blog page. We'll just remove this text as it is confusing here. I'll remove this is a blog page, remove it, and we'll reload the page. So that is gone. So now let us delete it. So you have to get a message over here saying blog deleted successfully. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to edit and update the data, as well as how to delete the data from database in Laravel. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.